Man, that light too bright. Let me know. I know you can't see that good. But motherfucker, about to take the rest of your goddamn eyesight away and shit. You're like, yeah, damn, nigga.
Welcome to Heem College, class in session.
What's good, Slim? Man, I know it's been a minute, man, but we coming back with another step-by-step tutorial on how to do a skin fade. At this point, y'all should be professionals at this, but if not, man, just lock and load. Get your pad, get your iPhone, get your notes, pull your stuff out, cause we about to get to it. Yes, sir, Ski. We gonna get right to it. And you already know, like always, if you haven't done it already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're getting this momentum back going on the channel, so subscribe, like, comment, and share. We gonna go on with this fade with the ball line. And y'all bear with me because I'm a little bit rusty on my voiceovers, but I say, listen, let's jump right back in it. So we start this fade as we always do. Ball line. Lock that in. Make sure them trimmers are not too sharp. You know, if you got some sharp trimmers, you cannot rub against their face like that with them sharp trimmers, especially up under that neck. So make sure them trimmers is nice and comfortable. Yes, sir. So we gonna finish that ball section line up, and then we gonna get right into the next section. Alright, after that, we gonna go in with our number one guard. That's the guard with the 1 on it. We gonna close that guard because he got a couple light spots at the top. So we gonna take this time to try to blend the dark areas in with his light spots. And I'm known from cutting him for a while. I know that one guard close, get it down to the desired length. Alright, so cut this head even with the grain because he got light spots. If I go against the grain, it's gonna be too harsh. So if you know your client is thinning at the top, I wouldn't recommend going against the grain. Now you can do it if you know what you're doing, but I wouldn't recommend it. Alright, now we're gonna go in with our first guideline. That's no guard, lever all the way open. We're gonna go up about 1 inch. If it's a little more or a little less, you should be fine, but don't make it too big or too small. No diddy. Alright, so we're gonna go with our first section. Alright, once you got that section locked in, we're gonna take our 1 guard. That's the guard with the number 1 on it. We're going to take that lever close and we're going to create the next section. This section is going to be a little wider than the section before. Okay? You're going to cut comb until you get that next section even. And you can see that there's no more hair cutting. Alright? Make sure you got that comb in one hand and the clipper in the other, because you want to comb cut. Alright, now we going in with our 1.5 guard. That's the guard with the 1.5 on it. You're going to open that guard and go against the grain and attack that top section above the section, of course, that you just created. You're going to go from open to close, and the goal with this guard is try to blend those two sections together. After that, you're going to take your 0.5 guard. That's the guard with either 0.5 or 0 on it. You're going to go from open to close, detailing that section further. The more you close the guard, the lower you want to detail. The goal with this guard is to try to erase that dark line out and make it a little lighter. Actually, we're gonna make it as light as possible with this guard, because this is the final guard before we attack that section with no guard. Once you done, it should look something like this. Then you're gonna take the no guard, lever open, and you're gonna detail the rest of that line out, slowly but surely. Make sure you cut and comb. And to attack that bottom section, we're gonna go from open to close. We can go from open to close until we get that line out as much as we can. And towards the end, we'll use our trimmers to get the remaining line out. That is pretty much how you fade, guys. From here on out, it's just detail work on this side. The fade is there. Now you're just trying to, hit any section or blemish where it will help, the fade to appear more blurry. But those are the steps to a blurry fade. Yeah, man, so what y'all been up to, man? Y'all know me, man. I've been super duper busy. Man, working on the shop, man. I got the salon suites. Of course, I'm still barbering. Still dealing with everyday, problems, issues. But overall, man, I'm blessed. I definitely wanted to, man. I couldn't wait to really get back in the zone where I can start doing these videos, more frequently for you guys, man. I miss interacting with you guys, man. Dropping videos, teaching and showing you guys as much as I know, man. I just miss the whole vibe of the YouTube family, the Heem College. I kind of had to put it on the back burner where I got some things together, but I can reassure you guys, man, I'm 100% back. I got a new laptop, new M5, so I can upload my 4K videos with no problem at great speed. My editing process is a lot smoother. So yeah, man, I just been upgrading, and actually, man, I've been actually working hard on this camera, man, trying to actually learn how to work it. My pretty much every video before this, man, I was just turning the camera on, pressing record, not really understanding the camera, the settings, and my lighting and things of that nature. So this video, I tried to work on that a little more. Of course, I still have a few, glare spots on the client's head, but I'm working on, controlling my lighting and just overall how to work this camera properly, just to give out, better quality work. Make sure these videos are nice and clear, man, visually for you guys, so you can really get an understanding of what you're looking for. So yeah, all that just go hand in hand, man. I've been working hard, still grinding, man. Everything's going good for me, man. So I'm just trying to pass that energy off to you guys, man. Make sure you guys are watching these videos, you paying attention. Make sure you taking notes as well. Get your pad out, man. Take some notes. But when you get to the shop or back to school, you'll have the notes, right handy on your side or on your phone. So yeah, and I just noticed how my glove was looking crazy right here, but I was so locked in, I wasn't even worrying about the glove. I was so locked in, man. We were watching First 48, just talking and just vibing out through the cut. This cut took me maybe about 35 minutes or so, and man, I got my man in and out and on to the next one, man. But yeah, man, I definitely miss rapping with y'all, bro. I swear I do. Man, y'all already know, if you ain't done it by now, man, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. We trying to get the channel back going. We trying to get the views back rolling, the subscribers back rolling. So man, let's boost this channel back up. I got plenty of videos for y'all. A couple of them already edited, some not edited, but I will be uploading very frequently. Today is Sunday, April the 5th that I'm doing this voiceover. This video will be uploaded Sunday, April the 5th. As soon as it's finished bouncing out, I'm gonna upload it. Alright, so for the rest of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I do the lineup process. If you wanna watch that, man, make sure you stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. You don't want to miss it. I'm gonna add the enhancements and all on this cut, man, so make sure y'all lock in, stay tuned for the next video. Hey, listen, I'm out. I got some things to do. I got some dinner on the stove, so I'm gonna let this video bounce out so I can upload it and get y'all on to the next one, man. Listen, hey, tap in with me, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. I need y'all on this one. Alright, let's get it.